अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई होप यू ऑल वुड बी डूइंग ग्रेट। और आज मैं आप लोगों को एक बहुत ही ईजीएस्ट और मोस्ट प्रोफेशनल वे बताने लगी हूँ। जस्ट 1 minute solution to make a professional most CV or resume. So here is the LinkedIn profile, and as you all guys know that LinkedIn is the most professional profile for the job seekers or the employers as well, because whatever they are looking for, the designers, developers or writers, etc., they are coming to the LinkedIn from all the major countries. Okay, so coming to the point here, when you will log in, you will come to the home page, and from there you have to click on me and on the view profile. From there you will see this. As you know that you all already have inputted so much information of yours, your occupation, your name, and your portfolio, your dashboard, your activities, your experiences, the educations, the skills and endorsements, and your interests as well. So from here what you have to do is just to click over here on more and click over the save as PDF. So it is now downloaded in my downloads. Let me show in a folder. Yeah, so here it is. I have downloaded one's previous version, and here is the next one. Okay, so now opening into it, let me show you how professional it is in look. This is the most professional way. This black bar and this white section, it is displaying all your top skills, all your contact details, and also with the active links. Like, can you see this link? This is going to your profile, LinkedIn profile. This is your portfolio link, this as well. Here is the summary of whatever you wrote, and here are the experiences which you have added, the education levels or whatever details you want to add more. Okay, so what is the benefit by using this CV? Whenever you will give this kind of CV to your employer, because this is the PDF version, so whenever he will go to your LinkedIn profile by clicking this link, he will get to the most latest version of your profile, because here you have already updated every single thing. So you do not need to be worried about if your CV is outdated or not. So whenever you have a quick job application, you can just download from here, you can upload over there, and there is no hassle. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.